Sunshines, it's Chevanie, aka SimplyChevy, and I'm back with a hair tutorial featuring Sunber's hair. So let's just talk about the unboxing. So this is the packaging that the hair comes in. And inside it comes with the bundles and some lashes. I got a frontal and 3 bundles. The frontal is 12 inches and the bundles are 14, 16, and 18 inches long. It gives it a very layered look. So I'm thinking about cutting the hair just to give it like a shape up. First off, the color of this hair is 1B and the hair type is body wave. This is my first time having body waves, so I am super excited. So far this hair is really soft, it gets defined. I love the curls and so far there's really no complaints. I did not bleach the hair, so I wouldn't really tell if it has like that much shedding, because I noticed that when you bleach hair it makes the hair shed a lot. I haven't had like any shedding with this hair even when I wash this hair. So this video is just gonna be a few summer hairstyles that I kind of just made up because I'm just like, I kind of want to do something different using some things that I have in my house. Disclaimer, you guys don't actually have to like do these styles, but I thought it was cool, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to thumbs up, comment down below if you guys haven't already, turn on your notifications, and follow me on Instagram to see more looks with this hair. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So the first thing I'm going to be using to style my hair is just some random clips that I found in my house. I'm just like, you know what, let me try making a hairstyle out of it. So I'm just using my spray bottle and I'm just spraying the top of my hair so I can just lay it flat. So this is that I'm too lazy to wrap my hairstyle. You guys can just continue to add more clips and you can make it look like it's in a ponytail. So I'm gonna use a flower in the back of my hair. If I had more, I would put like some more on top of it. And so this look is kind of inspired by, like, I don't know if you guys have seen like on Instagram and people would post pictures and so they would have like those emojis and they would have like, for example, like a butterfly on top of their hair here. I don't know, I think this is really cute. So now I'm gonna spray my hair with some water. If you guys want, you can add some leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm going to change the part of this. this hair looks really nice just with the side part. Wow, this looks really cute. Oh my god, I love how it looks with the side part. I'm super excited because like I never had body wave hair. This looks amazing. And with this hairstyle, you can just add a flower to the side. And if you want to be extra, you can add some more flowers. Like weaves and wigs, I would definitely say don't go out your way just to get an expensive product. Just get something cheap or something that you don't even use. Like I have this Lot Body hair lotion, and to be honest, I don't use this. It does not work for my actual hair texture, so I'm just gonna take some of this and just apply it to my hair. If your hair still has like a scent, then definitely use like a product that smells really good. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment down below and thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.